Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the website I use to learn most of my digital marketing, graphic design, all that good stuff. Let's get to it. Hello everybody, Man here, and I'm excited to bring you this video, how to learn anything with LinkedIn Learning. In the last video we talked about how to learn technical skills, how to learn tech skills with the Google site. In this video we are going to talk about LinkedIn Learning. And with LinkedIn Learning, you can learn anything from creative skills to business skills, as we are going to see. So to get to LinkedIn Learning, you can just type in the link, just type in linkedin.com/learning. Or you can just come to your profile, go to this button right here that says work, and you find this button learning. So let's get learning. Alright, so when you get to the home screen of LinkedIn Learning, this is how it looks like. Some of the core courses that you might want to check out. Some of the courses that you have been watching but didn't complete. Some of the saved courses. Okay, and then you can even set goals. You might set a goal and say that I want to learn 30 minutes every week. Let's say 60 minutes each week. And then LinkedIn Learning will help you to track your progress, and it will tell you whether you met the goal or not. Alright, so when you scroll down, you will find some of the other courses that are recommended by LinkedIn Learning, depending on the interests that you choose, as we are going to see. Since I'm interested in Google Docs, I have some other recommendations right here. And also you can see here the most liked videos, in addition to the trending videos right here. Now, as I said, these videos are recommended depending on your interests. And by the way, if you like any of these videos, you might want to click on save so that you can find it later under saved again, as I'm going to show you. Well, you can keep scrolling through, or let's say we are looking for a specific course. You just come in up here and type in what you're looking for. Maybe you're looking for a graphic design course or social media course. Let's say social media. Just type in social media and hit enter. And as you can see, we have a lot of videos just about social media. All this stuff is about social media marketing. So right here on the left, you can see some of the filters by courses or by videos or by learning paths. Now, for learning paths, you will find different courses under one learning path. For example, if I find this one, become a social media marketer. If I open the learning path, you'll find different courses just about the same topic. Okay, so you find things like talking about Twitter, talking about Facebook, Instagram, talking about YouTube. Once you complete all the videos, you can earn your certificate, and you can also connect with all these experts, social media marketing experts on LinkedIn. So I will save this one. You can also share it to your profile or to an individual or to only your connections. Let's go back and I show you some other filters, like if you wanted to filter by level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Notice for a beginner we have over 1000 videos and more. So down here you find some other filters like the time. If you want short videos, you can just filter by maybe 10 minutes or less. And here we have videos from 1 minute to 10 minutes. Cool. Software, if you just want to learn more about Instagram, or you just want to learn about Twitter, or maybe for creatives, just tick what you want to learn. Facebook, and then most of these videos will be about Facebook marketing and advertising. Maybe you just wanted to learn about LinkedIn. So right now we have filtered the videos to 10 minutes or less, for LinkedIn. So maybe I would say I'm a beginner, and then the videos are filtered even more. You can just come in here and filter as you wish. That's cool. Other than these suggestions right here, once you type in something you get these suggestions, but other than this you can also come to browse, and under browse you can see all the courses that you can be able to study. For example, under business, notice all this stuff: spreadsheets, personal branding, job searching, HR strategy. If you want to become an HR, you have videos, you have courses here for accounting, for social media marketing, for small business marketing, for entrepreneurship, for social selling, for content relationship management softwares. Literally anything you would want to learn in business is right here. And there's also creative for creatives. For example, 3D modeling and rendering, architectural design, sound design, music production, image editing, typography, compositing, cinematography, design thinking, all this nice stuff, web graphics, 3D animation. And down here you might notice the learning paths. For example, if you wanted to become a graphic designer, you'll find all the videos that you need to, all the courses that you need in this one learning path, as I just explained. Okay, so you find learning paths like become a video editor, become a digital illustrator, become a cinematographer, see that one, become a bookkeeper. There's this one, become a motion graphics designer. So it doesn't matter what you want to learn, everything will be here. If you want to go to cloud development, if you want to learn some technology, some tech skills like cloud development, talking about Amazon Web Services. If you want to learn some iOS development, maybe software development, maybe machine learning, maybe you just want to learn network security. If you want to become a full stack web developer, all the stuff, front end or back end web developing, all the courses you need will be here. For example, let's check out the JavaScript frameworks. Code. This is for the coders. This is for the programmers. This one is for you. Just come in here and learn anything. Learn this nice stuff. So if you want to learn Node.js, or you just want to learn JavaScript, you can come in here and filter. I can see I want to learn Node.js because I realized that in that Wix editor, if you know some Node.js, you might be able to learn the Wix code faster. So let me say I'm intermediate. Notice no videos for beginners. Let me say I'm looking for courses about Node.js. So there's this course called Design Patterns for Node.js. There's this one for AngularJS, building a data-driven app. Full course on building an app. And this one, a full course on creating and hosting a full stack site. Not sure what full stack means, but maybe I just do a quick Google search right here. Anyway, so that's what the browse button will help you do. It can help you browse the course depending on which category. Maybe you are in the creative world, or maybe you just want to learn some tech skills like data visualization or machine learning. Let's check out the course and I show you some of the controls that you will find with the LinkedIn Learning Media Player. Here is a course on artificial intelligence foundations, machine learning. Right here on the course page, you will find the first button on the left. Here is the contents. This is where you can go through to see what is covered in this course. Everything that's covered in the course is found here. You can feel free to close these ones to get some space. If a course has many videos, you can even feel free to skip through to the exam if you feel like you are confident in the course that the that the instructor is teaching. And then if you are done, you can close out this contents, and if you like the course, you can just click on the like. Feel free to click on this number to see the people that have also liked the video, like the course. And also feel free to save this, but you cannot see the people that have also saved this. Not like here where you can see the people that have liked the video. Anyway, you can also add the course to your content collection. For example, you can create a collection on artificial intelligence. Okay, I click create. I can put the description later. So right now I've added the artificial intelligence course to the artificial intelligence collection. I think that's cool. You can feel free to also share the video on your LinkedIn with your networks, with your team on Microsoft Teams, through an email, with your Facebook friends or groups, on your Twitter account with your followers, or you can even get an embedded code that you can copy and paste on your website. Some cool stuff, right? And right here on active, you can see the people that are actively watching the same course that you are watching too, which is a cool, I think, very cool way to connect with people. Now, some of the features or some of the videos in this content, you might find padlocks on them. They are not accessible, and that is because you might need to pay or purchase the premium account to get access to all the videos in each and every course. Some of the courses will be free, some of the videos are not accessible. You might be using the basic version or the free version of LinkedIn Learning, and you might want to upgrade your account. Anyway, so that's some of the cool stuff. Just the play button, the skip through. Then let's say I'm playing right here, I can skip through in front or can skip through backwards. Okay, the next or previous button, the speed, if you want to increase or decrease the speed. You might find some courses that the instructor is speaking so fast and you might want to decrease the speed. And right here you can decide whether to show captions or not. If I'm playing the video, notice the captions are down here. Okay, and for some videos also you might find that you want to see something clearly. You can click on this gear button, the settings button, to check the quality that you want. And this is also where you turn on the autoplay, turn on or off, the volume button as usual, and the full screen button. Now when we enter full screen, you might notice a new button, this one, which is a cool button for adding notes or asking a question. Let's say I added a note right here, a quick note about the algorithms. Okay, I just hit enter to save my note, and then to see the note I need to go to the notebook tab, exit full screen, and then you will find the notebook tab right here. Which brings us to this section where you can also view the transcript. But before we leave the notebook tab, you can download your notes, or you can also add more notes here. Each note will be indicated with the video and the time code at which you created the note. You can edit the note or you can delete it. So the transcript tab is the tab where you find all the words that the instructor is talking about. For example, if we hit play right here, you can see that the transcript is moving through the words that the instructor is saying. Okay, cool, that's cool. And also the overview tab is the main tab where you find the exercise files, the certificates that are related to this course. And if you don't go to the contents tab like we saw, you might also use this button here to start the exam. On the left of the overview tab is where you find the name of the instructor, some information about the instructor. You can view their profile on LinkedIn, you can follow them on LinkedIn, just like that. even without leaving the LinkedIn learning platform. But the view on LinkedIn will take you to LinkedIn just like that in a new tab called Staff, right? On the far right, still in the Overview tab, you find the related courses. Just below the instructor's name is where you find the course details, how much time it will take you to complete the course level, and the release date of the course, the course description below, and some of the learning objectives, plus the skills that you will gain once you have completed this course, once you have successfully completed the course. Below you can find some of the members that are interested in the course, that are also learning the same content, and again, information about the instructor. Anyway, so there's the question and answers tab where you'll be asking your questions, and you'll be getting the answers from the instructor himself or from your fellow learners. And right here you can join the LinkedIn group. You can join the machine learning community by joining their group. Okay, so for the most part, that's how you will be learning, quite interactive, which is a good thing. So let's go back up here. It's where you'll find the saved videos, the videos that you have been saving, the videos in progress. You'll find the collections, for example, the artificial intelligence collection that we just created. You'll find your learning history, the courses that you have completed, and also the date on which you completed them. You also find the skills that you are interested in. So with these skills, the skills that you put here is the content that you will see on LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning will be seeing all the skills that you have here, the skills that you are interested in. They will personalize your learning recommendations based on the skills that you put here. Excellent. Let's say that I've learned some business skills and I add the skill right here. Okay, you can see business strategy. I just added this business strategy right here. Let me add something else. Let me add social media optimization right there. Let me add something else. Search engine optimization. Okay, so when I go back to my home, and you go through the videos, you will surely find something related to social media, search engine optimization, or the business skills that you have added. For example, in digital marketing, if you scroll through, you can see social media, SEO for social media. And if I was to go through these other videos, I would find something else, like you see, search engine optimization, link building, something else, search engine optimization for social media again. Okay, so that's how you personalize your learning. You go to my learning and go to skills and add the skills that you are interested in, and LinkedIn Learning will do the magic for you. All right, cool. So notifications is where you'll be finding the news about the top courses, the recommendations. You can also edit what you see in the suggestions or the recommendations. You can decide to turn off the trending courses or what you have watched, so that LinkedIn Learning doesn't pick from what you have watched to recommend for you videos. So I think that's it for LinkedIn Learning. We have talked about the learning paths. We have talked about the browse button right here, which helps you browse through different categories depending on what you want to learn, how you can save your collections, how you can save specific courses, and most importantly, the skills part, where to add your skills of interest. Maybe what we haven't talked about is this button down here in the footer, which is become an instructor. That's if you are confident enough to become an instructor. You might need a little bit more experience, as you can see, but don't get scared. You can even use the auto fill with the LinkedIn from. So this button will go to your LinkedIn profile and pick the information and fill it in here for you. I guess let's save this one for another day. Becoming a LinkedIn learning instructor. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you keep learning. If you know someone that wants to learn something, make sure to share the video with them. Alright, I'm going to come to this button right here and sign out. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, your fellow lifelong learners, and I hope to see you in the next video.